Alright, this is my room setup. Right now, that's a Samsung 48-inch TV. It's connected to the PS4, the Xbox One, the Wii U, and the Nintendo with the NES, Super NES. Alright, next to that I have pens. I have a desktop gaming computer. That's an i5 310 megahertz, and that's a 290 megahertz i5. One has 8 gigabytes of DDR3 memory. The other 16 gigabytes of DDR3 memory. That's a Turtle Beach headset with the PS4 controller attached to it for gaming. That is a CM Storm. It lights up. You could turn off the lights and turn on the light, whichever you want. That one over there is a CM Storm mouse. This button is to turn off the light in the middle. You got the screen right here. And that's one of the side of my room. I use this desktop because it runs League of Legends perfectly, CSGO real good. Also it runs WoW, World of Warcraft, Overwatch awesomely, and other stuff. So here it is. Also, I'll show you what I have on my desktop right now. I have Google Chrome, Recycle Bin, Spotify, Skype, AVG, OpenOffice, Clary Utilities, Acrobat Reader, Specky, and Malwarebytes. On the right, all my games: Steam, Battle.net, CSGO, Overwatch, Grand Theft Auto, League of Legends, and World of Warcraft. And I have Windows 10, of course. So there is what I have on my desk and what I use for gaming. See you guys later, and like, subscribe, favorite the video, and see you guys later.